persons in our age group have never really experienced the discipline that comes with getting up, going to work, getting instructions, carrying out tasks, meeting deadlines, and we want to expose them to that.
And so the National Youth Service NYS has been partnering with a number of public and private companies to give 17 to 24-year-olds well-needed work experience through its annual summer work program. About 4,900 youth benefited from this summer's program, which empowered them to achieve their fullest potential while being exposed to the working world.
It also offers experience which we can actually apply to our resume. That helps to develop the resume. So when we're applying for jobs, it's quite easier to get considered for certain positions.
I see it as a learning process for persons who are actually looking to go out there into the world of work, right? So even if, you know, at this point in time where we have faults, this is where we learn how to curb those issues.
And with its computerized selection process, the NYS places participants, including those with disabilities, in government ministries and agencies and private companies across the island.
Once you have the minimum qualifications, then you're entered into a database and a randomization process takes place and persons are selected.
To qualify, participants are required to have 3 CXC subjects. In preparation for placement, the participants undergo a mandatory 2-day work orientation session. At the sessions, they are introduced to proper work ethics, deportment, and professional communication practices.
What we hope to achieve is a cohort of summer program participants who are better aware of what it is, what work is. We're hoping that the participants will leave the program not just with a stipend that we pay at the end of the 3 weeks, but also with meaningful relationships. We're hoping that our participants will have meaningful interactions and will leave with mentors and lifelong relationships that will help in their professional development.
I am looking forward to gain more knowledge on different organizations, to associate myself with people and learn how different persons communicate and work in the working world. And also, I'm looking forward to just build a new image and character to my own self.
Well, what I hope to gain is experience in the volunteerism field, and because I will be soon be entering the working world, I want the job experience.
For me, it helps me to be prepared for what the world has to offer. It also helps me to understand everything that the working world is like.
This program will allow youths, especially my age, to develop proper work ethics. It will also help us in developing socially.
The National Youth Service is proud of its achievement and continues to empower youth to develop their fullest potential.